After using the OnePlus Watch 3 for a full month, I can confidently say it's one of the most compelling Android smartwatches I've worn, especially if battery life is your top priority. Here's my hands-on review, covering all the features and my real-world experience. Design and build. From the first moment I unboxed the OnePlus Watch 2, the premium feel was obvious. The titanium alloy bezel and stainless steel frame give it a solid, high-end look, and the 1.5-inch LTPO AMOLED display is both big and beautiful, with a peak brightness of 2200 nits. That means I never struggle to read notifications or the time, even in direct sunlight. The rotating digital crown is finally functional, making navigation through menus smooth and satisfying, with great haptic feedback. I found this especially useful during workouts when my hands were sweaty or I was wearing gloves. However, the watch is big and heavy. At 81 grams and only available in a 47mm size, it's definitely designed for larger wrists. I have an average-sized wrist, and while it looks stylish for daily wear and got me a few compliments, it did feel a bit chunky during intense activities like running or cycling. The included floral rubber strap felt a bit cheap, and I did have some trouble with it detaching unexpectedly, but the standard 22mm strap compatibility meant I could swap it out easily.
Display and interface. The AMOLED screen is a joy to use, vibrant, sharp, and always visible, whether I was outside on a sunny day or checking notifications in a dark room. The always-on display is a nice touch, but it does reduce battery life by about 2 days, so I kept it off most of the time. The hybrid interface, switching seamlessly between Wear OS 5 and a low-power RTOS, was smooth and intuitive. I appreciated the thoughtful UI touches like the analog-style time fractions around the frame, which made it feel more like a classic watch. Battery life. Battery life is where the OnePlus Watch 3 truly shines. I consistently got between 4 and 6 days of use on a single charge, even with regular GPS workouts, sleep tracking, and notifications enabled. On lighter weeks, I pushed it close to the advertised 120 hours. Charging was quick, and I never worried about running out juice during the day, which is a massive relief compared to other smartwatches I've used. Fitness and health tracking. The Watch 3 supports tracking for over 100 sports and activities, including 11 professional modes that provide detailed metrics. Running is especially feature-rich, letting me choose up to 5 data fields like distance, pace, heart rate, and more. The dual-frequency GPS L1 plus L5 is a big upgrade. I found GPS lock to be almost instantaneous, and the omnidirectional antenna kept my routes accurate even in dense city areas or under tree cover. On hikes and runs, the watch mapped my route precisely, and battery drain during GPS tracking was minimal.
Sleep tracking is comprehensive. Each night, I got a detailed breakdown of deep, light, REM, and awake stages, along with a sleep score and breathing quality assessment. The watch even detected my naps accurately. While the sleep data sometimes differed from other trackers I've used, like the Samsung Galaxy Ring, the insights were helpful for spotting trends in my rest patterns. The new 60-second health check-in is a standout feature. By holding my finger on the bottom button, I could get a quick report on heart health, arterial stiffness, breathing problems, ECG were available, vascular age, SpO2, sleep, and wrist temperature. It's a genuinely useful snapshot, especially for anyone interested in monitoring their overall wellness. The Mind and Body feature, which tracks stress based on heart rate variability and activity, became more accurate the longer I wore the watch. Everyday use and smart features. As a daily companion, the Watch 3 handled notifications well. Messages, calls, and app alerts popped up promptly, and I could reply quickly with voice dictation or canned responses. Google Assistant integration worked smoothly for setting reminders or checking the weather. I also enjoyed the ability to install third-party apps like Strava and Spotify directly from the Play Store, making it easy to leave my phone behind on workouts. The O Health app, which syncs all the health and fitness data, finally feels polished and useful with clear visualizations and actionable insights. Parental control features are a nice bonus for families, though I didn't use them personally.
Downsides. No device is perfect, and the OnePlus Watch 30 has its quirks. The size and weight will be a deal breaker for anyone with smaller wrists or those who prefer a lighter watch for workouts. There's no LTE model yet, so you'll need your phone nearby for calls and data. The ECG feature isn't available in all regions, and there's no support for ANT+ or Bluetooth heart rate broadcasting, which might matter for serious athletes. Strap tracking accuracy wasn't always perfect compared to my phone's pedometer, and the wellness score metric was sometimes hard to interpret. The included strap could be better, and while the watch is water resistant up to 50 meters, some users have reported inconsistent experiences with swim tracking. Final thoughts. After a month, the OnePlus Watch 3 stands out for its phenomenal battery life, premium design, and robust health features. It's not the most compact or lightweight option, and some advanced features are region-locked. But for Android users who want a smartwatch that doesn't need daily charging and offers deep health insights, it's an easy recommendation. If you have a smaller wrist or need LTE, you might want to wait for a future model, but for most people, the Watch 3 delivers on its promises.